Okay, boys, welcome to your science class. Today in science, we are going to start our lesson 5.4. The name of the lesson is using motors and buzzers. So for a motor can make things spin around. This is a motor. You can see the picture of a motor in your book. Look, what it does, it spins the things around. Anything that it can moves, rotate. You can see here, fan. All these things are motors. Fan is a motor. Why? Because fan rotates. You can see electronic toothbrush. It's also a motor. Why? Because it moves. Washing machine. Washing machine is also a motor. Why? Because when we put our clothes inside the washing machine, what happens? The clothes and the washing machine moves. So what is this? Motor. Anything that moves is called a motor. The two things that we are going to learn in this lesson is motors and buzzers. So first we have discussed motors. What is motors? It is a small machine that is used in electronic or electro appliances. What it does, it makes things spin around. Anything that is spinning around, inside it is motor. Examples are fan, electronic toothbrush, washing machine. Why? Because it spins around. That is why we say it is a motor. So now we are going to discuss about a buzzer. A buzzer can make a sound. This is a buzzer. A buzzer will only work if the wires are right away round. Buzzer can make a sound. This is a buzzer. A buzzer will only work if the wires are the right way round. The red wire from the buzzer must be connected to the positive side of the cell. All these things use buzzers. There is a bell, doorbell. When someone comes to your house, he rings a bell, right? You hear a bell. That is buzzer. In science, we say it is buzzer because it makes sound and you understand that someone is on the door. So this is buzzer. Phone. You know that phone vibrates and makes sound. So how it can make sound? With the help of buzzer, because there is buzzer in the phone. There is buzzer in the phone. That's why when someone calls you, there is a ringtone. You can hear the ringtone. That means that in the phone we have buzzers. And alarm clock means you have to come to the school before 9 o'clock. You put alarm clock, right? So these three are buzzers. Any appliances that make sound, it means there is buzzer inside. Okay. Any appliances that is spin around, it means like fan, toothbrush and washing machine. There is motor inside. Understood?
Yes.
So here is activity 5.4. Madam is making a fan using a motor and card. Make a fan like this. Now make a circuit to make it spin. Connect the cell to the motor with the wires to make a loop. Which way does the fan spin? Now change the wire over at the cell. How do you think will happen? Make a buzzer work in a circuit. Now change the wires over at the cell. What do you think what will happen? So you have seen the project of Hisham. What he does, he connected the cell with the buzzer and the motor. So when the cells are connected with the wire and the circuit is complete, what happens? The fan runs and there is a sound. So buzzer is making the sound and motor is allowing the fan to spin. Motors use electricity to make things turn. You know that we are studying about electricity and what it happens. Motors make electricity. Motors use electricity to work, and buzzers use electricity to make sound. So here is an activity on your activity book, page number 28. In this exercise, you will think about motor and buzzers are used. All of these use electricity. Do they use a motor or a buzzer? The first one has been done for you. Number one is motor. You can see. Number two, what is number two? Number two is buzzer. Why? Because it is making sound. So I'm writing, write with me, boys. Buzzer. Number two, CD player. There is audio CD player. So what is this? It makes the CD spin. So it is motor. It is motor. So we will say it is motor, M-O-T-O-R, motor. Okay, doorbell. We have studied the doorbell. Doorbell makes sound. So we will say it is a buzzer. Okay, last two. There is a car with the remote and there is a fan. So you people should think what it is. Motor or buzzer, where motor will come and where the buzzer will come. Think and solve it. After a while, I will see what you have written. Fan is a motor or buzzer, and the toy car with the remote, it is motor or buzzer. So one, a washing machine is motor. Why? Because it spins. It spins the cloth. Number two, alarm clock. It makes sound, so it is buzzer. CD player. It moves the CD. It spins the CD, so it is motor. Doorbell. It makes sound, so it is buzzer. Toy car and fan, they are also spinning and moving. So anything that spins or moves, it means there is motor inside. Okay, and anything that makes sound, it means it is there we have used buzzer inside. So complete your activity book, page number 28. So in this lesson, we have learned two more most important things about motors and buzzers. Buzzers make things turn. It uses electricity. Motors make things turn. It uses electricity. Buzzers use electricity to make sound. So motors are used to move the things and buzzers are used to make sounds. And obviously they work with electricity. It can be main electricity or it can be cell electricity with the batteries. So for big things, we use main electricity, and for small things, we use cells.